Dear friends, I'd like to wish you a very happy Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. This year, your company Modicare has done extremely well. As the year comes to an end, celebrations are all around. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. It is a season of giving, it is a season of joy, and I hope joy comes in abundance and your hearts fill with the reason to give. As you are aware that your company Modicare runs a foundation to do good, runs a foundation to make changes in the lives of women and children who are the strength of our nation. I urge you that this Christmas, as the spirit of giving, contribute generously so that many lives of small children and women around change. So please support the Modicare Foundation, the Khavga program. Please support in any way you can. Your contribution will be most welcome. Your contribution will change the lives of small children, and your contribution is the reason to bring joy. And in the spirit of Christmas, do give generously. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you to make a difference. सोच बदलो, खुद को बदलो, दुनिया बदलो. Thank you for being a part of this family, and once again, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a fabulous New Year.